Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my snappy review. Now, I am here inside the members area, and during this video, I'm going to give you its demo and what it does. I'm going to detail in this video, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. Now, as you see in the title or thumbnail of this video that I am giving Snappy for only $2. So, when you buy from my link which is down below of this video, you will get your $15 back. In the bonus area, you will get $5 instant and remaining money within the 12 to 24 hours. Now, you might be thinking that why I am giving this huge discount to you. So the reason behind is that I am an affiliate of this product, and when you buy from my link I get some commission, and in this case it is $15. That's why I am giving your money back to you. Now you also might be thinking that why I am giving my commissions to you. So I want you all to take action and grab this instead of wasting time. I know this will help you to make money and you love this, and if you want to increase its conversion you will definitely buy some of its upsells, and on that upsells I will make some money. So let me tell you about the product and what is all about. Snappy is a 30-second copy and paste method that gets you paid $10 over and over. So basically Snappy is a cloud-based software which will make $10 in every 30 seconds for you. It will provide a unique link to you, and then they will tell you where to put it in the software, and each time you put your link you will make $10, and this whole process take only 30 seconds. So you can earn $10 every 30 seconds, and it will make you up to $1200 in just a 1 hour. And to understand it in much better way I will show you inside the members area and in the software in just a minute. So, Snappy goes live on 15 July 11 am EST, which is New York time. So, when it goes live, you can click any of the button on my bonus page and they will bring to you on the sales page. So, pick the Snappy before my bonus page expire, which I not want because I spend a long time to put and find these bonuses together. So, you can get out of best as possible. All those bonuses are created by myself, my team, and very known and popular affiliate marketers or creator on the internet. All are created by them, and they are not going to be available through anybody else link apart from mine. And with that, feel free to go and shop around and see what other people are offering in term of bonuses for Snappy, because I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get through my link which is down below of this video. So let me talk about my bonuses. So my first bonus is you will get access to the Lost Code and the Waking. Both these are traffic app and they will bring traffic to you on autopilot for free without spending a dime. So with these two softwares you will get unlimited traffic. So my second bonus is you will get access to the Fugo Breakout and Fugo Multiplier. Both these are training product and it will teach you how to get traffic on autopilot and for unlimited without spending a dime online and without spamming on social media or having an email list. So it is a very good bonus. So my third bonus is you will get access to my personal social media hack, in which I'll reveal all my strategies how I got money with the help of the social media on autopilot for unlimited, and you don't have to do much work. In this I reveal all my strategies and my resources which I use to generate much amount of money. So, so my next bonus is you will get access to my advanced traffic training, in which I'll tell you how I got millions of visitors to my affiliate link through a underground secret hack, and how I make hundreds and even thousands of dollars from it. So my next bonus is you will get access to a suite of 16 software which include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, video hosting platform like Vimo, dropshipping platform or e-commerce platform like Shopify, account of Kabazi, and much more softwares including in it. So you will get account of all these software for free and for lifetime. As you know that ClickFunnels average price is $99 per month and an autoresponder average price is $50 per month, and other softwares have different price value, but you will get all these for free. So my next bonus is you will get a premium hosting with a domain, including some premium themes, plugins and training also included. With this bonus, you can publish your website on internet with a premium hosting and a premium domain with premium plugins and themes, and the training course will tell you how to do all this and how to rank your website and much more things to make money from blogging or website. Now my next bonus is that I'll tell you earlier that I'm giving your $15 back. So this is the next bonus, that if you buy from my link which is down below of this video, you will get your $15 back, which is a very good bonus I am providing to you. I also put a bonus that you can send your email to my list every day, each day and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. So I'll tell you my list, that my list have over than 120k subscribers, and you can send 1000 emails per day to my list and boost your conversion rates and get traffic to your affiliate link. So my next bonus is I am holding a $1500 contest, and if you win this contest you will win $1500, and all this contest detail are in my bonus area. So bonuses up to 9 are only for first 100 people, because I am giving to only action takers who take action and grab all these, because these are very exclusive and I don't want to give them to all. So hurry up and buy it from my link. And as you can see there, some spots may already be gone because some of my buyers from my email list already buy it. So the seats have very less, and hurry up and buy it. So my next bonus is I am giving my email marketing hack, in which I'll tell you how I build my email list and how I convert them and make sales and make money from it through email marketing, and how you can do this also in a very simple way and fast without spending money a lot. So my next bonus is I am giving you a 40 free bonuses that you can give away to your audience to boost your conversion rates and make sales and make more money, because with the help of bonuses you can make more money and more sales. And my next bonus is I am giving a training of banking with bonuses, in which I'll tell you how to use those bonuses to give you to customers and how to boost sales, make huge money and much more from them. So my next bonus is I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you, and you will access all these bonuses. Now my next bonus is if you stuck any part of the software or training course, you can contact to me. I will help you and you will get support from me. Now my next bonus is I am giving you my personal case study on how I got 2.9 million visitors to my website or my affiliate link, and how you can do this also. In this case study I'll tell strategies how I got this huge amount of visitors to my link. And my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you how you can leverage the power of chatbot to interact with your buyers, to help them and to make money from them and boost your conversion rates. Now my next bonus, if you buy Snappy from my link which is down below this video, you will automatically approved to all of my products of past and future, so you don't have to write reviews and about my product, how is it and all. So next bonus is, so mine is $300 CPA every day. It's a best course on Warrior Plus which will tell you how to make money through CPA marketing. So my next bonus is $500 CPA every day. It also CPA marketing course, and all those bonuses from one to last are very exclusive. These are created by my team and very good affiliate marketers or creators in on the internet. You have any doubt, then you can search by any of this product on Warrior Plus on and or on the internet, and which this will tell you that how this product is very good. So without wasting time, let me tell you my next bonus, which is CPA coffee shop method. It's also CPA marketing course, but and this will tell you how to make CPA commissions through social media. So my next bonus is $200 cash check. It's also a training course. So my next bonus is $2K CPA traffic jacker. It's also will tell you how to get traffic on your CPA offers. So my next bonus is $250 cash magnet, and this is a software which will make $250 per day for you on autopilot. So my next bonus is the commission glitch. It's a very good product and training course on how to get traffic for free to your links. So my next bonus is six figure influx. This will tell you how to make six figures and much more from it. So my next bonus is $1,000,000 toolbox. It's also training course and best training course on the internet. And my next bonus is overnight commissions. It's also a software which will make commissions for you or on overnight. So my next bonus is commission toolbox. It's also a very good traffic course and training. So my next bonus is pure profit payday. It will tell you how to make money online through affiliate marketing by getting unlimited traffic for free without spamming on social media. So my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, and it is also CPA marketing course. And my next bonus is the commission profit hack. It's also a training course which will tell you how to make huge commissions through affiliate marketing for free. So my next bonus is instant traffic jacker, which bring traffic on autopilot for you through the internet. My next bonus is the commission magnet. It's also a training course on traffic. So my next and last bonus is the commission blueprint. It also a very good product. So I am not going to detail all these products which I give you as bonus. You can search of that, and these are very good. These are not any PLR products, and you can search on the internet that how good these products are and how valuable these are. All of these words are written by side of them. So for claiming all these bonuses, you need to do, first of all, click on the link which is description of this video down below and come on my bonus page, which you may already be on. If you come through my email list, just be aware that this goes live on 15 July 11 am EST, which is New York time. So let me tell you how you can access these bonuses. So when you buy this Snappy from my link, then in your Warrior Plus history you can see there this is a blue button tell access your bonuses. You can access all the bonuses which I promise you to give to you, and after that you will get all the bonuses. If you buy only the front end product of Snappy, which is only for the $17, and you know that I am giving your $15 back, so you will get it for only $2. So let's see inside the members area, but before that have a look at the sales page and what is all about. So this is the sales page of Snappy. As you can see that it's making us $321 per day, and revealed 30-second trick make us $10 over and over each time we copy and paste. So rinse and repeat whenever you need quick cash. And these are some of its features. As you can see that brand new, nobody else is doing this. Our fastest income system you to ever exit, built for beginners, see results without investment. Our members are asking as much as $10,000 per month, no website or domain needed, and it also have 100-day money back guarantee, double money back guarantee, which is very good. So if you not make money in $100, so you can return in this product in $100 and they will give your money with double. So you can buy this by clicking this button, blue button, and you will get Snappy for $17 one time fee. And as you can see, price rises every 15 minutes or 16 minutes, whatever is it. And grab this special offer now before the price increases. And there are some of income proofs, and in just simple steps you can make money. So the first step is copy the unique link they will give you inside the members area. Second step, paste the link they give you and they show you where to put it, and they pay you $10 every time when you do this. Now as you can see, this is the sales proof. There are some more income proofs they made, and this is the creator of this product. His name is Vanguard Raman, as you can see there, and he is 7-figure marketer. And this product is created and developed by himself, and there's lot of stuff on the sales page as you can see there. Now this is the sales page, and with the Snappy you will achieve your laptop lifestyle. As you can see, you can buy a better car, spoil your loved ones, move to a better pad, and quit your job, have more free time, give laptop lifestyle. And this, as you can see, you can make up to $321 or more per day. Now this is the product Snappy, you are getting this. And there are some testimonial. These guys tell that how they making money from this. So as you can see that you want to make $100, then you can make $200, you will also make $500, you can make 100, even $1000 you will make. There are some of income proofs these guys are making through Snappy. And through Snappy you don't need to paying for any traffic, no domain required, no hosting required, no website required, no affiliate marketing, no hard work, no tech skills, no e-commerce, and no product creation. So you don't have to do anything of that. Just grab this and you are start to making money. Now this is very simple, and there's lot of stuff on the sales page, and all in one system Snappy will give you everything you need. So these are the things you will get. So you will get Snappy web app, and there is the what is all about, you can check there by yourself. Snappy monetization, Snappy training, Snappy built in traffic, Snappy members area, Snappy support, everything you need. And these guys are also giving some bonuses to you to buy Snappy. So its first bonus, as you can see, the Snappy Drive. This app gives you unlimited cloud hosting for free, and you can read out it yourself. Now second bonus is Snappy Send. So it is an autoresponder for free you will get. You can send unlimited emails to your subscriber for free with this bonus. And its third bonus is Snappy Host. So through this you don't need to have any hosting, and with this you can host your websites. Now its fourth bonus is Snappy Funnels, and you with this another great tool made by Snappy development team. This server as a free replacement of your funnel builder. So it's basically a funnel builder which will build funnels for you. Now its next bonus is YouTube Mation. YT Mation, most complete marketing solution for YouTube, and it is a YouTube software or bonus. Facebook Mation. Facebook FB Mation is a social media marketing tool that will help you to easily auto post, schedule Instagram post along with Facebook, Twitter, and many more. It can also manage multiple social networks, schedule post, it increase your traffic and engage your audience. Now as you can see there, this is 100% risk free and 100-day better than money back guarantee. So this is the Snappy, and these are the all things you are getting if you buy Snappy. The Snappy web app, monetization, training, members area, and much more. So it's all worth is 6,970. but you are getting it only for a one time fee of $17. And don't forget, you are also getting all of my bonuses if you buy Snappy through my link, which is down below of this video. So right now you have only two options. First option is you try to succeed yourself, waste your hours, money to make money, and second is get Snappy and relax, sit back and make money. Now this is the sales page, and this is the creator, I'll tell you before, Venkat Raman. And there are some frequently asked question, that does it really take 30 seconds of work? So answer is yes. Do I need to pay for traffic? So answer is not. Are there any extra expensive involved? Its answer is not. What set this apart from other push button app? So most traffic app require you have an existing audience on platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc., but it does not want any audience to you. It instantly put you in front of 110 million buyers with the help of artificial intelligence and automation. So I am sold. Do I get started? Click the button below to get Snappy at the lowest price. So you can click this button and grab Snappy before price increases. And this is the whole sales funnel, and check it out in your own time, because I'm not going to move it all through, come through it and see what is all about and check it everything. Now let me tell you inside the members area. Now this is the dashboard of Snappy, or you can say that members area of Snappy. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and there have a welcome intro video. And as you can see, this is the dashboard, and there in left hand side all these tabs which you need to make money through it. So when you click B and W image into color, means black and white image into color, it will bring you to, sorry, it will bring you to this page. And as you can see, when you upload your image like this, it will convert into then on for free and on autopilot, you don't have to do anything. And when you click on icon generator, then it will bring you to this page. And as you can see, you can there have many options to generate art icons from it. And now you may be thinking that what is all about, and I not understand it. So now I am only telling the main things of this, and later in this video I am going all in detail and tell you what is all about. But if you can see there, these have tutorial tabs, and they will provide all the tutorials that how you can use this Snappy and make money through it. Now when you click photo to cartoon, it will bring you to that page, this photo to cartoon. And as you can see, you can upload this image and it will result into there, and you can upload from there, choose file you can upload. And there also background removal, with this tab you can remove background of any image. Now it's image editor, you can edit image. I am in this video going through it all and tell you what is all about. Now this is next option, screen recorder. And as you can see, through this you can record your laptop or mobile screen. And this is video, where you can see video, you can edit your video, intro, outro video, royalty free clips. And the best feature which I like the best is this page builder. When you click this, it will bring you to that page where you can build account for your builder Snappy. So you get this for free with the Snappy account. So you can make your account there, and you can build your funnels and much more things. Now Snappy, as you can see, page builder, now they have support, you can ask questions from them, tutorials, video, as I'll tell you all. So I want to tell you all about it very in detail. So I make a separate video telling all these feature and what is all about in very detail, and this video is around 10 to 12 minutes. So I put this video on my bonus page, as you can see there on my bonus page. So go on my bonus page and check its all walkthrough what is Snappy all about. I'll detail in this all video because this video is very long and I don't want to make it much long. So it's an very upward detail and full detail on my bonus page, and you can see. Now let me tell you its prices and upsells. So its front end price is only for $17, in which you will get all my bonuses and $15 back and everything I'll tell you earlier. And its OTO first means upsell first is Snappy Unlimited for $39, in which you can create unlimited campaigns through Snappy and unlock everything for unlimited. Now it's upsell to OTO 2 is Snappy done for you for $197. So in which the creator of this product will give you done for you campaigns and traffic to everything. They will make everything for you and you don't have to do anything yourself. Now it's upsell 3 means OTO 3 is Snappy $1,000 paydays for $197. So in this you can with this you can turn your traffic into high conversion rates and make huge amount of money. With this upsell you know how to convert all the traffic much more. Now it's upsell 4 means OTO 4 is Snappy Automation for $39. So through this upsell you can automate everything. You can automate your traffic, your campaigns, and you will make money while you will sleep. Yes, while you will sleep. So it's upsell 5 means OTO 5 is Snappy Limitless Traffic for $197. With the help of this software, the team of this product will give you done for you traffic and done for you sales means you will get sales overnight and very fast through this, and you will also get limitless traffic. Now it's OTO 6 mean upsell 6 is Snappy reseller for $197. And with the help of this upsell you can sell Snappy as your own product and you will keep 100% commission on the whole sales funnel. So it is very good upsells these guys are providing to you for only just $197. So check it out all, and in my opinion you should and you must purchase OTO 1 which is Snappy Unlimited for only $39, and it is not much more expensive. And if you have some more money then you should and you must also purchase OTO 5 which is Limitless Traffic for only $197, and it is not expensive because when you buy this you will make 10x and 20x much more money from that, and which is all about. So don't forget to check out my bonuses on my bonus page, and thank you for watching my Snappy review, and I'll see you in some of the next video. But before that I want you all to subscribe to this channel and share to its your friend, and like this comment have you got your bonuses or money, and take care and bye.